Hello everyone, my name is E-KAJ. Today is July the 4th and today I'm going to make a vlog. So what we're going to do this morning, we're going to go to the airport in Atlantic. We're going to eat pancakes, eat breakfast, and then we're going to light off fireworks after that. I don't know what we're doing after the breakfast, but I know tonight we're going to go to this really fun house over by the airport. It's in the middle of nowhere, but so a little bit close to Atlantic, like our house. But yeah, here we go. Now in the car, we're picking up cars, and then we're gonna eat breakfast and go to the parade, and then watch fireworks.
Forecast for Southwest Iowa's weather source. Throughout the rest of this 4th of July, we cannot rule out some showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, partly sunny, mid to upper 80s. Winds will be from the southeast at 5 and 10. Tonight, partly cloudy.
Alright, so we're here. This is the whole thing, and that's the line over there. So it's a pancake line. We're here. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
We have a long way to go. Wow. Look. They have got me. Look at all them pancakes.
I told him he's going to buy mine. Ready, buddy? Oh, look at these are natural. One more. Now I got to buy it. Yeah, you do.
Almost done. Big boy's done eating. It's 11:28 and I know. And yeah, we'll be watching the fireworks in a little bit. Alright, it's been like 3 hours since we've been waiting. Now it's finally time. The party's about to start. Just 45 more minutes, but we're gonna go a little bit early just because I did Carson's hair over there. Karsten! Yeah, he wants to be cool with his hair like that because I made it. I made his hair. But anyway, so we're just gonna be over there lighting fireworks and having the 4th of July over there. So yeah, here we go. You make fluffy slime, and then you put salt water in it. All right, so it's looking like good and nice and clear over here. Then over here, it just looks stormy. You know what's weird though? There we go. The day got nicer and we're finally on our way. Not to worry. Carson is forever. What? He's waving at us. Say hi back. Hi. Chill, bro. Chill. No. No. Yeah, we're here. No, I would recommend not.
I don't want to slow down.
Corbin. You're on video. What?
Going on his YouTube channel. That's
Oh,
million subscribers.
Yeah, 1 million subscribers. 1 million subscribers. Hey, 1 million subscribers if I slap to his face. 1 million subscribers. First firework of the day.
Check the windows. I think it's switched.
Good call.
I can see it's like dust. It's gone. Seems like it's going that way. See that little kid over there?
Oh no, he's not ready. He's not ready. He's not ready.
He's gonna drop it.
Yep.
Don't drop it!
Parachute.
Got him! Oh,
Oh, there's another one.
no!
Person got it.
I'm getting this one.
Oh, I got it. I got the blue one.
Yellow!
And there's that one. Just went straight down.
I got it.
Now the red one. No. Oh, I still got this one. Burnt out. The sparklers. Oh my gosh, he's smoking a sparkler. Oh, you're really cool, man.
Be free, Birdie. Live your
I want my
life
sandwich.
in America. Say hi to the moon for me.
Goodbye.
Bye.
What? How is that floating?
Say hi to the moon. Say hi to the moon for me. Billy, get on the green thing.
I'm on top of the trailer.
Genghis, get off the trailer.
Yo, Genghis, what you gotta do, big boy?
Get him off.
Oh God.
Come on, Smalls.
Go Smalls.
Hide behind Tori!
Hey, get back here, bud.
Look out, Green Bin.
Hey, get behind.
Go.
Grab your soda and run.
Keep the camera still. Keep the camera still.
Save the pop. What the? Don't look up. Yeah!
Ew.
I did that.
Alright, so this is the sunset right now. It's like one of the coolest sunsets we've ever had. Alright, now we are attempting to get out of the corn. Everyone say hi to YouTube.
Hi. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just carrying a bread. I will slap you with a corn stalk if you
What?
don't look back.
Why are you actually? How do you even how?
Oh my God.
We're almost there.
Why do you find the tightest space in the corn to go through? Both of them just wide.
Literally. That was fun.
Look what I got back.
You just went in that corn.
Why did they pop?
These fireworks are as bright as my future.
Nah.
No.
Your future's not that bright.
Really?
Bright at
I have
all.
the farm to prove it.
It deserves this, man.
No. Hey, someone start playing I'm Proud to Be an American, whatever that was. I forgot what that song
God bless
called.
the USA.
Yeah, God bless the USA. I forgot what it's called.
USA. Let's go.
No.
So these are the artillery shots that Big Mac wanted me to do. Okay, it's in. I'm gonna light it in a little bit.
That's perfect. You want to do it?
No thanks.
Here we go.
All right, guys, back up. Yeah, I'm ready.
Run!
Run! Artillery shots. That was pretty cool.
Oh, that was alright.
I got another one.
Run back.